Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Keychron Q6 Max, a full-size mechanical keyboard that's making waves. This isn't just another keyboard. It's a fully customizable powerhouse designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Q6 Max boasts a robust build, featuring a full metal construction that feels incredibly solid. It's clear Keychron didn't skimp on materials here. The keyboard offers versatile connectivity options, including 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB-C wired connection. The 2.4 GHz wireless mode is particularly impressive, offering a rapid 1000 Hz polling rate, ensuring a lag-free experience for gaming and fast-paced typing. Bluetooth 5.1 allows you to connect up to 3 devices simultaneously, making it easy to switch between your computer, tablet, and phone. Typing experience is where the Q6 Max truly shines. It incorporates a double gasket design and multiple layers of acoustic foam. This combination creates a wonderfully dampened sound profile and a comfortable, almost bouncy feel with each keystroke. The pre-installed Keychron red switches are smooth and responsive, perfect for both typing and gaming. However, the Q6 Max is also hot swappable, meaning you can easily replace the switches with your preferred type without any soldering. Customization is a key feature of the Q6 Max. It's QMK VIA compatible, giving you complete control over key mappings, macros, and RGB lighting. The programmable knob adds another layer of functionality, allowing you to assign custom actions like volume control, scrolling, or even application-specific shortcuts. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable, letting you create a personalized aesthetic. The Keychron Q6 Max is compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux, making it a versatile choice for any user. Whether you're a programmer, writer, gamer, or simply someone who appreciates a high-quality keyboard, the Q6 Max offers a premium experience with its robust build, versatile connectivity, customizable features, and exceptional typing feel. It's a top contender in the world of custom mechanical keyboards.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.